Brenda, what you doing?
Fixing. I'm fixing a salad.
You fixing a salad?
Yes.
Is it gonna be good?
Yeah.
It's gonna be tasty?
Yeah.
What kind of fruit is in there?
Grapes, raspberries, blueberries, banana, and grapes, and what else, Mama?
Strawberries,
Strawberries, apples, what else?
watermelon,
Watermelon, what else, Mama?
Cantaloupe
Cantaloupe,
and pineapple.
pineapple. What else?
Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.